So do you think I have a chance?
I haven't seen your car yet. I don't know.
This is a childhood love that now has turned to adult fun.
Yes.
It's the Pine Car Derby going on here. This is the man right here, Brad, easy for me to remember, of Short Leash Hot Dogs and Donuts. How'd this all start?
Actually, my buddy Doug, we were having beers one night. He said, "Hey, I'd really love to do a adult-only Pinewood Derby," and I'm like, "Let's make it happen." So now 5 years later, it's like it just keeps growing and growing. We all built cars as a kid with in Boy Scouts or Cub Scouts. Inevitably, our dad took it over and had more fun than we did. So we're like, you know what? As adults, let's take it back.
First time racing, second time racing?
I've been here all 5 years.
5 years. And what place have you taken so far?
Pretty much last every time.
Now, what about you? You raced every all year?
No, this is my very first time.
First one, mine too.
Yeah.
All right, what's the secret?
I don't know.
I haven't really done a Pine Car Derby. I mean, since Boy Scouts, I really didn't do it that well. They gave you a block of wood. I pretty much just colored it, and that was it. Now I got into it. I sanded it. I did all kinds of stuff.
Winners will advance. If you lose, you go over to the losers bracket, and slowly it whittles down until we'll have two racers, one with no losses, one with only one loss, and those guys race it off at the end.
17 is a 40. Oh, this is Brad's car. Where is he? Brad! Why does it say 49 on it? Did he actually create this? The camera guy actually did it. It's probably not even yours, is it? Is this wood or carbon fiber? Is everybody ready down there? Are you nervous? You are, aren't you? Look at him! He's freaking out over there. On your marks. Get set, go!
So close. So close. Took third. It's all right. It's my crew chief I got to have a little talk with on the next races. So, all right, what has been the secret of this? Because I got to come back next year, so I've been eliminated.
Okay.
What's the secret for next year?
I have no earthly idea. There's no secret sauce to this, yeah.
This is no joke here. I thought it was just like, hey, a bunch of guys having a couple of beers and let's do this.
I think for a lot of cases it is, but then there's some real serious folks here. We're not expecting to win, but we want to at least be competitive.
It's more about the fun, you know?
I'm putting the car back on the leash because I'm no speed racer, but I had a dog out of a good time.